All right, everybody, welcome back. Oh shit, Mitch McConnell moment. Welcome back to the channel. I think we're getting 2 fucking tool hauls this week. So let's get started. Alright guys, first up on the list is these new Knipex plier wrenches. These are the big ones. Let's open it up. Alright, here they are, the Knipex plier wrenches in 16 inches because this is America and we don't use the metric system. I believe this is in Germany, the 85 millimeter. This was much needed because I, for size comparison here, had the 10 inch. I've had these for years. I love them, and I was using them the other day on some hydraulic lines, and they fit perfectly with the angle and everything, but I needed something with more leverage. So I looked it up. Sure enough, this is what they have. It's weird because on Knipex's actual website, it doesn't show a 16 inch anymore. I'm not sure if it's discontinued or not, but I ended up picking these up on Amazon for the hefty price of $135. Not bad though. They do hold the lifetime warranty. Not that you could ever freaking break these things, because let me tell you, in the past I have put cheater pipe on this thing. And it doesn't even give me the hint that it will break. They're just solid, made out of damn German Panzer steel. So excited to use these. I know they're gonna come in handy, and that jaw opening is huge. So can never go wrong with Knipex. Thought I would share this with you guys and share the size comparison as well. All right, next up, this is kind of funny how this happened. Hopped on Kevin's truck, was just looking around. The homie Ramon was Did I do that again, dude? Fucking Mitch McConnell, I swear to God. The homie Ramon was grabbing these scan tools and asking questions about them, and I was just listening. And Kevin had them on special for like $5.99. And this isn't a full bi-directional by any means, but it has a lot of capabilities. I'll show you them right here. All right, looks like we got steering angle, ABS bleeding, DPF reset, the electronic brakes, injector programming, anti-theft matching, oil reset, battery matching, adaptive light system reset, and let's see, 2.4 gigahertz wireless, complete coverage, blah, blah, blah. All right, so you guys get the point. It's a basic scan tool for pulling codes and doing resets and stuff like that. Nothing too far into, no scope, nothing fancy like that. It's not gonna, really assist you with diagnosing a vehicle, but there's other ways of doing that. I just needed something for home. My wife got a new car recently, and it's full of a bunch of fancy features that I don't have anything capable of, doing. So I thought I would jump on this price. So anyways, long story short, Ramon was gonna buy one. he said, hey, you know, and I'm like, hey, if this guy buys one, I'll buy one. And Ramon's like, yeah, let's do a deal. If he buys one, I'll buy one. What kind of deal can you give us? And Kev hooked it up. I walked out of the truck with this for $530, and I'm not going to complain at that price. It is what it is, and I consider it a steal of a deal. So excited to use this thing. It's pretty lightweight and compact. I will have to do a video on this specifically when I set it up, but I just wanted to do the tool haul video and kind of show you what I got. And we'll do a separate video for this down the road, but that's what I got this week. I think it's the second tool haul within the same week. I kind of like to stagger them out, but got to keep the fans happy, you know? Just kidding. But yeah, we'll see what's coming up, and if you guys like that bonus footage from last video, I'll do some more in this video. Maybe. We'll see by the time it comes out. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and always click the thumbs up button. It really helps the channel out a lot. I'm really trying to grow the channel. I know I'm doing a lot of shorts, more than long form, but we'll try to get in the mix of doing both. So catch you guys in the next one.
There's only 3 of these, bro.
They probably left them over there. No, they're right here.
You're using red?
Yeah, there's 4 of them.
Oh, he's
Oh, the little wing fell off. Hold on.
Oh, you're fucked. You already chose that color. You're the defective one.
Come on, guys. The fucking wing fell off of this one.
Yeah, the other guys adjusted that shit, made sure.
Oh, that broke.
God damn.
Bro.
Yeah, you gotta give it the heat, bro.
You do, dude. That's not fucking seeing me.
It's like a carnival game, dude.
Bro, I suck at this shit, dude.
Alright.
You piece of shit. You play shit a lot, huh?
No, I don't.
No, never done.
You're fucking lying, dude.
I don't. The only fucking thing I do is that.
You're a piece of